water is a very weird liquid. We're very used to it, but it's not normal.
My research is specifically on magic-sized nanocrystals.
I mean, you're there 24/7 and you're just like surrounded by scientists and these crazy machines.
I remember when I was really young, I got a microscope for Christmas, and then I spent my whole Christmas outside collecting bugs.
The idea of these perovskites is that they show very interesting properties, but being a new class of materials, there is really a lot to investigate.
1D, 0D, 2D, so let's say I'm interested in any kind of nano things.
I thought, if I never look at another crystal structure again, how would I feel? And I felt very sad.
The thing is that I'm not really a nanoscientist or not a material scientist in the sense that I'm building materials or building specific structures. What I want to learn is actually about the properties of this structure and especially about the dynamic properties.